chapter 18, verse 23, it say, and the light of a candle shall shine no more at all in thee. And the voice of the bridegroom and of the bride shall be heard no more at all in thee. For thy merchants were the great men of the earth, for by the sorcerers were all nations deceived. So we got to have one true God, and we need to have it in our mind that in order to be saved and seek salvation through faith, we will have to first believe in the Holy Triune, the Father, the Son, and of the Holy Ghost. Amen. And by doing that, how can we have that relationship to that eternal home? Well, first, you got to know a little bit more about it. And how would you know a little bit more about them? Is by the Bible.
All right.
Now, you can go get your answers from Wikipedia. You can go ask another pastor, Google, YouTube. But this right here is pure.
That's it.
It is God breath. And you want to know how special this book is? It's God breath. Look how special we are. Then God breathed the breath and life into us. And as we keep going, the evil man and seducer shall wax worse and worse. So when I did my little studying this morning, I kind of seen that it was bad to worse. The ways of sin is downhill.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I was like, okay, that makes sense because, the gift of God is eternal glory. Okay, so as good men, by the grace of God, grow better, so does bad men, through the craft of Satan and the power of their own corruptions, grow worse. So basically what he's saying, evil can build up and become powerful also.
That's good.
So we gotta be careful when we try to say we not scared of evil presence or evil doers or anything, because we never might not know who they are on the inside. So we gotta, kind of be a little cautious with it now. Now as we get on down to verse 14, but continue thou in the things which thou hast learned.
Yes, sir.
And thou hast been assured of knowing, and from whom you learned them from. So basically, the Apostle Paul is talking to Timothy,
That's right.
and he's telling Timothy, you have known since you was a child that your mother and your grandmother were Jewish women.
All right.
And since you was born, they